Hello viewers, welcome to this demo of Xatocode, the ultimate Excel macro automation and standardization tool. Today I am going to walk you through the code repository functionality of Xatocode. Through code repository, you can download useful functions and procedures in your VBA project. So you can see there are a lot of components here. So one of the component is range manipulation. So inside this range manipulation, there are a lot of functions which we can download. So let me start with few of these functions. I'll be downloading the GetCurrentRegion Get usefulness starting given cell, add border and SortRange, and click on this download button. You can see 4 procedures downloaded. And if you come back to this range manipulation, you can see that these 4 procedures will be striked out now because this has already been downloaded. Now if I go to the code window, now you can see here a new module has been added and it has all those functions that we have just now downloaded. Now I'm going to create a name range. And the scope I would select as the worksheet. So this is a very good practice. Whenever you create a name range, try to select the scope as the worksheet. So it will prevent a lot of those weird errors that you get when you try to export this worksheet to another workbook. GetCurrentRegion is a very useful function in Excel VBA. It is an inbuilt function, and if you don't know about it, I would recommend that you read it from some source. I'll give you a brief idea of what it does. So basically it selects the current region or the connected region, I should say. So let me give you an example. So if I just create a break between these two regions, now if I press Ctrl A, so Ctrl A gives you the current region. So it will select only this range. So by now you might have got an idea about current region. Now let me come to this mod main. This is a module that I have added, and I am going to add a piece of code here, and I am going to explain what it does. So basically I have declared 2 variables, and in one of the variable I am storing RNG data, which is this range. If I go to the formula bar, you can see RNG data. And now I am going to format only this part, and how I do that I'll show you. So first of all, I am clearing any pre-existing format. So the function here will be clear formats, not clear contents. So get usefulness starting given cell is yet another function. So what it does, it will select the use range but starting from the given cell. So from here till the end of wherever you have data or formatting, so it will select that and clear all the formats. And then I am holding a range, and what range I am holding? So get current region starting given cell from RNG data.offset1. So this is RNG data.offset1 is this, and current region of it is of this cell is this, but get current region starting given cell only selects the current region but starting from the given cell, so it will select from here till here. Now let me run this code and just show you what happens. So I'll step through the code. Okay, now let me see what RNG format holds. So if I go to the immediate window and write RNG format dot select, you will see that it holds till this range. Now what I will do is I will add border. I'll call yet another function. So this is another function that I downloaded. So it takes 2 parameters. One is the range to format and what kind of border you want to add. Do you want to add a box around it or like edge bottom? So all of this you can try out. So I'm adding a all border here. So if I just execute this line, you can see the border has been added. Now let me do one thing. Let me do a formatting of this cell also, I mean formatting of this row. And if I once again stop this and execute this, now see, the formats will be cleared first. Now the new format is added. Now instead of all border, you can try out the different other options. Let's say edge left, or you have inside horizontal. Let me try this. See, you can add different kind of borders. And now let me do a sorting on this range. So SortRange is yet another function that I downloaded, and RNG again format, and has header. No, it does not have header. And how I want to sort, so I want to sort in column 1 as integer, so I have to give an index. So starting from here, let me say I want to sort by the name, so I'll give an index of 2, and then by the school name, so I'll give an index of 3. So first sort by 2, then sort in ascending order, and then sort by 3. So all the remaining parameters are optional, so I can just end it here. Let me see if I drag it up and if I sort it, what happens. So you can see it is sorted by name. Now what if I want to sort by school name after this? So I'll just add one more parameter, and if I execute this, see, now it is sorted by first by name and then by school name. So in this video I have shown you 4 functions: get use range starting given cell, get current region starting given cell, add border, and sort range. So if you were to do it from scratch, it will take a huge amount of time, so probably few hours. So I just saved you few hours of time in just few minutes. So that is the power of Xatocode. There are a lot of other components that you can download from the code repository. I will be explaining those to you in subsequent videos. You had been listening to Sujoy, the creator of Xatocode. I'll be leaving some useful links in the description. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment sections. If you want more such videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked the video. Thanks for watching.